to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making baked eggs with some really healthy ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients. Eggs, broccoli, tomato, mozzarella cheese, avocado oil, and kosher salt. Right here we have a pot with cold water. What I want to do, I want to get this water boiled, and then I want to put the broccoli inside. Okay, so right now we're just going to cut the broccoli. What I like about the broccoli is going to be like a little bit of steam, so it's not going to be hard when we bake it with the eggs. And you know, the broccoli has a lot of fiber, so it's with the eggs, it's going to be a complete meal. You know, sometimes broccoli has some sand, so we want to be sure it's washed properly. We're going to dice the tomato. You can use cherry tomatoes, but you know, my theory is what you have home, that's what you cook with. So, you know, I have a couple of tomatoes in the refrigerator. I'm going to dice them up, and they're going to be delicious in the omelet. Try to cut them small pieces so that way it will spread on the eggs. The water is ready, so the only thing we're going to do is just put the broccoli inside. Just be careful you don't get burned. And we let it boil for 3 minutes. When you put the broccoli in the water to boil, then we're going to preheat the oven to 400. So right now we remove the broccoli from the hot water. I don't want the broccoli to be too soft because right now we are going to bake the broccoli with the eggs. So we are cracking the eggs. We're going to use 4 egg whites and 2 yolks. You see, I do the egg whites first, so just in case I make a mistake and I drop the yolk, then I can make it up. And you see with the egg, when you hit the egg on a metal, it cracks much easier. So the next one is going to be 2 regular eggs. So you hit it on the metal, boom, it opens very easy. So we have 4 egg whites and 2 yolks. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put some avocado oil on the bottom of the pan. It's a spray. And that way we can put the eggs and everything else in one stick. Mix the eggs. Give it a nice fluffy mix. I think more you mix the eggs, fluffier they get. So we're going to put the eggs. Now we're going to put the broccoli. Now we're going to put the tomatoes. Sprinkle a little salt on the top. Very little. So we put in the eggs in, 400, and we're going to check on them where it's 15 minutes. The eggs looking good. Perfect. It was 18 minutes, 400 degrees. So now we're just going to put some mozzarella cheese right on the top. It's 3/4 cup shredded mozzarella. And we're going to put it back in the oven for 2 minutes and it should be ready. Actually, it took only 1 minute to melt the cheese. Wow, that looks good. Another delicious recipe.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Why you don't tell us what we're going to be eating?
Baked eggs.
Right?
You added some vegetables.
Broccoli.
Broccoli, tomato, and cheese.
Very simple ingredients.
Yes.
And a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt.
Honestly, this looks like a slice of pizza.
Can you try it and tell
yeah.
me what do you think?
Of course, it's crunchy.
Yeah.
So I love that. What do you think?
I mean, look, whatever you combine, broccoli, tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, is good. You know, I like it. I like the combination of food. And then you have the 6 egg whites, no, 4 egg whites, 2 yolk. But the interesting thing, I don't taste that egg. Like you said, it almost tastes like a pizza without the bread.
Yes, yeah.
Good energy every day.
Every day.
You know why I say good energy every day? You
Why?
do something, something happens. You do nothing, nothing happens.